random pieces the dealership put on just because they're stupid.
Hello everyone and welcome to CarNamics. Today we have Matthew's car back in the shop again. Matthew, what we got here?
We're going to be installing an FSWERKS Sport exhaust system on my 2017 Ford Fiesta ST.
That sounds awesome. So, be sure to stick around to the end of the video. We're going to have exhaust clips for you so you can hear what the new system sounds like on here. So, let's get to it. All right, so now that we're under the car here, we did find something on this car where you shouldn't have to deal with this on yours, but I'll go ahead and show you real quick. So right here, it looks like the previous owner had welded a pipe onto the original flange here. So we got to cut this off, grind it down, get it flat to where we can put a gasket and then the new exhaust system with the flange back on there.
No turning back now. Wait, I changed my mind. I want to keep the exhaust.
Put a little penetrating oil right here where the mount is. It will make it a little easier for it to come off. And I take a pair of channel locks here and just work its way off of there.
There must be some strong.
There it is. I got it.
There's some pretty strong rubber.
There's one. Would you just get off there, you dumb thing? There we go. Nope. Not today. Look at that, it came off. I win. Exhaust system. Whoa.
Wow, it almost tried to get the last laugh there.
All right, we got our last mount up here in the front. And same procedure as the last.
And your hands are perfectly blocking everything?
I do apologize if my hands are blocking you, but I kind of need work. You know what I'm saying? Just watch your head, dude.
My head?
Yeah,
I'm clear. If that thing falls.
No, watch George's head. And now it's just sitting here on the axle in the back. Let's see if this thing will come out without cutting it. Yeah, you know what? I'll take this muffler out of here. And that's it. All right, guys, we went ahead and pulled these two studs out, got all this ground down to where it's mostly flat. We're going to use some of that muffler cement on there with the gasket. Like I said, on yours, you shouldn't have to do this. You should just be able to take that off. Your studs are going to be coming through. You just bolt it up there, put your two nuts on, you're done. So from here on out, it's going to be pretty much the same for your car. So we're going to go and get these pieces of piping unboxed and start putting them in the car. Oh yeah.
It's recessed up farther right here.
Freaking serious. They cut
a bracket off?
Man. Yeah, idiots. Morons, exactly. Alright, so we actually just found out, and let me get a light. I just had a flashlight. So we just discovered that the stock exhaust system actually has another bracket right there, but someone cut it. So in your car, you're gonna have another one right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this on here. Then I'm gonna put the cement and the gasket up in there. Just let this hang for right now. Yeah. That way I can just do that. Okay. It'd be easier just to slide it up on there, get your nut started, and then put this support on. This is just special case. Yeah, let's go like that. Here, like so. All right, so on yours, you can go ahead and put this mount on to where this is sitting up here where it's supposed to be. We have to take a different route to this because we don't have that mount there. So I'm gonna try to get the muffler kind of in place because that piece does not have a hanger and I don't want all that hanging off here. So I'm gonna get this in here and then I'm gonna squeeze in that pipe, if that makes sense. Okay. There's the muffler. So hopefully you can just, oh, and also make sure you put your clamps on here before you put your pipes together. There we go. It just slides together. It's really that easy. And you're going to slide these over top of here. And you want this, make sure it's all the way in there. You want this pipe all the way to the end of here if you can. And just slide that right about there, tighten it down. Yeah, see that needs to go down some. Why is that not wanting to fit on there? Now this is supposed to fit over that pipe, but that pipe is just a little too tight. So I'm just gonna try to get these bent out just a little bit more. There we go. And that worked. I think so. Go on there, you dumb thing. There we go. Taking it off, like I said, those four, got 2 nuts there. Take that off, then put them back together. You gotta put your 2 nuts on. Your 2 mounts here, and then you can start running it out like the back like we just did. So kind of sucks that they cut that, but oh well. Okay. What we have done, I went ahead and welded a new hanger here, and we actually don't have any of those rubber hangers left in the shop right now, so this is just temporary for right now. We will replace that with a rubber hanger in the very near future, but that's just, like I said, temporary. So this exhaust system is done. How about we see how it sounds? It's exciting.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please leave us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to see our new videos in the future. Hit that bell icon. We've got a lot of cool stuff on the channel. You should definitely go check it out. It's awesome. And we will see y'all next time. CarNamics. Alright, let's go guys.
Yeah. Should we turn off the camera? And move your car? Crap.
Yeah, how's your camera?